Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Parkside 4-volt cordless screwdriver, the model PARS 4A1 with accessories and 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. That's all in the box. Wow, that is a fat manual. We have 5 different screw bits and the cable, because you need to charge this screwdriver with a length 1.5 meters, type A to type C. You can use a 5 volt 2 amps power adapter or you can charge it from a power bank. Quite heavy, I like it. At the front we have the bit holder. You can insert any bit. The rotational direction switch. Right, left. The LED working light at the front is very helpful in low light conditions. Nice. So you can use it just like that. Very robust. We have 3 indicators for the battery status and the torque control button. 3 levels. Maximum 8 Newton meter, driven by hand. Motor, it is 3 Newton meter. You can change the torque as it's working, adjust first and then use it. And the Type-C port. And it's charging. I will wait until it will fully charge and then run some tests. 3 indicators solid on, fully charge it. You can use it when it's charging. Now, I have some screws here. Let's start with the smallest screw. Torque first. Okay. Second, you can adjust the speed, only one speed. Nice, powerful. I like it. Lovely. Three level, maximum torque. Nice. And I like the LED working light. And of course you can use it with your hand. Very good bits, good quality. Come on. That was a huge screw. Nice! You can use it manually. I really like how easy it is to handle, how quickly it charges, and how convenient it is for tight spaces. It's a great little screwdriver to keep around the house. If you are looking for a hassle-free way to blast through IKEA furniture or quick home repairs, this is a fantastic little helper. It's lightweight, surprisingly punchy for a 4-volt tool, and the compact design means you can get into those tight corners where a regular drill just won't fit. It's not meant for building a desk, but for everyday household tasks, it's an absolute bargain, only 12 euros. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next Parkside tool review or DIY project. Thanks for watching, happy fixing, and I'll see you in the next one.